Hey guys, it's your girl LarkMillicent, and if you clicked on this video, I know what you're here for. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Matte Foundation and NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Primer, which I use today to create this look here. So if you're interested, stay tuned. The product that we're reviewing today is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and also the Can't Stop Won't Stop Primer. Alright, so I heard I heard some things about this. I heard some good things, I heard some bad things about it, especially the primer, but I'm here today to put all those rumors to rest by trying it out like everybody else did. So this is not even open. So the Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation and Primer is a matte primer. The foundation claims to be a full coverage foundation, and the primer claims to be, one of the best matte primers out on the market. For me, I have combination skin. I am pretty, it's kind of hard to squeeze. Okay, so it's pretty thick. You guys can see because I'm squeezing pretty hard. I have combination skin. I suffer from really oily dewiness in my T-zone area. So we will actually see if this works. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a little white. It's a little white, just a little white. And let me behave myself, because actually when I was reading the instructions on the box, it did say tap it in. It said tap. Oh, getting some of those crumbles. I don't know about this. Getting crumbles. Oh no. Okay, so this is why you gotta abide by rules, okay? It said tap it in, so I'm just gonna tap it in and then dust off these little crumples that I got on my face. Ugh. I don't know about this. Alright. Y'all. Oh no. Ooh. I am mad at this. Ooh. I am mad at this. No, primer, no. We were rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. Primer. Hopefully, this does not affect the foundation. But primer. Oh, primer. Oh, y'all. This primer done did me dirty. This primer done did me dirty. Okay, so I'm not. All right. Yeah. So Can't Stop Won't Stop Primer literally just tried to play me. So I just took everything off. I went in with my MAC TimeCheck Primer, Old Faithful. Let's just keep it there. Just gonna keep it right there. I did go in and just put a little Can't Stop Won't Stop on my nose area just to give it a second chance, but I can still see it's like real ashy, just like real ashy. I don't know, but the reason why I did that is because my nose is always the most like oily and like shiny, and I'm just like, maybe it's just like more of a spot thing. I think this is like Milk of Magnesia sister over here. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe people that use Milk of Magnesia would like this primer. I don't use it, so I don't know. But let's go ahead and get into these foundations. So I picked up two foundations, Deep Rich and Cocoa. Okay, so I believe Deep Rich is a little bit lighter than Cocoa. Looking at the numbers here, Deep Rich is a little bit more on the yellow tone, and Cocoa is a little bit more on the red tone. I can literally wear both of these because I put one, like a swatch here and a swatch here, and it pretty much melts into the skin, but I do like a little bit more of a redder undertone, so I'm gonna go with the Cocoa. For those of you who are interested, that's looking for their foundation color, if you want to compare it to MAC's, y'all look at my nose. They play too much. But if you guys want to compare it to a MAC foundation, in Studio Fix Fluid and Powder, I wear NW 46, 47, 48, just kind of depending on how tan I am at the time. And I would say Deep Rich would be more of like a NC 50, NC 55, which I can also wear. I just choose to be a little bit more bronzy. I like to be a bronze goddess. Okay, now since I said that, let's just go ahead and get into this review, because so far it's not going that great with their primer, but I just pumped one pump out. Let's see how much one pump will give me here. I actually this just kind of rolled into my foundation, so I'm gonna use it. Hey, I'm gonna go in with my MAC 170 brush and go ahead and just stipple this all over. And once again, I'm using the color Cocoa. Oh, this is really, really pretty. Really nice for technically a drugstore brand. This is some good coverage, y'all. Going in with my third pump to go ahead and just finish off my forehead. This is really some really, really good coverage. Like, I'm shook it. Okay. Oh yes, I would definitely buy this foundation again. I'm not even finished, but it's just the look of it. It looks so high end. It's giving me amazing freaking coverage, like amazing. Oh man, oh man, do y'all see this? See how much coverage this is? Oh, yes. This is so pretty. This is extremely pretty. Like, what is this? What is this? This is like witchcraft. This is witchcraft, okay? It's very, like, I don't even feel like anything's on my face right now. And I did 2 layers in certain spaces, but y'all, you know what, let me keep it moving. So to keep it in the family, I'm just gonna go in with NYX HD Studio concealer here. Go in with that, and this is the color 07.5. I'm gonna just put this under my eye here. I'm going to go ahead and just set my concealer because it's not bright, with a little banana powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little highlighter on. I'm using some regular, you know, things that I normally use. Swiss Chocolate by MAC for my contour powder, and I'm gonna use Superb highlighter by MAC, and a little Trace Gold blush by MAC as well as a highlighter. These are the things that you could just, you know, use whatever it is that you want to use. I'm pretty sure at this point everybody has, you know, their favorite highlighters and just things that they want to incorporate in whatever looks. But I will do a full face drugstore brand soon. I just need to figure out exactly what products I want to use for that. Okay, but I definitely will be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I don't know about the primer yet. So this is a little Trace Gold that I like to pop right on top of whatever highlight I put on, just to give it like a little bit more of an intense highlight here. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and throw some lashes on, a little eyeshadow, and a lip, and come back with my final review of Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation by NYX. Alright ladies, and this is the final look using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Cocoa. And of course we did try the Can't Stop Won't Stop primer, and I'll be back in a little bit, a couple of hours. I'm probably going to give it about 5 or 6 hours just to see if this T-zone area gets a little oily. If not, like I said, it is a go for my oily skin girls, extreme shine T-zone girls. We're going to be here for it. If not, we're going to take it back to the store, okay? I'm gonna list everything else that I used in this video down below. If you guys are interested in the eyeshadow that I used today or the lipstick, check down below. And with that, I'm out.